What happens when USCIS refuses to adjudicate my I-751 and I want to apply for citizenship? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States at our office here in St. Louis, Missouri. What are we talking about today? Well, when a U.S. citizen marries a foreign national and the marriage has been less than 2 years old at the time that the green card is issued, then the couple is going to have to file a form called an I-751. So instead of getting a 10-year green card right out of the box, USCIS gives you a 2-year green card. At the end of the 2 years, you have to file an I-751 and basically prove that you and your spouse are still married. So you're going to want to submit marital evidence, proof that you still live together, proof of a shared life, and you send all that off to USCIS. Now, in the old days, these cases would be decided in about 6 or 7 months. But USCIS is currently going through a real backlog on these. They're taking anywhere from 13 to 18 months. And so during that time period, while that I-751 is pending, the date on which someone can apply for citizenship comes. And so some people are wondering, should I go ahead and file my N-400, or should I wait until I get a decision on my I-751? This all came to a head for me yesterday at an interview that I was at. I had a doctor from Chicago who had moved, and he was in his new town, and we had gone ahead and applied for the N-400, even though USCIS had been taking forever on his I-751. In this case, his N-400 got scheduled for an interview pretty quickly, but his I-751, which was the petition to remove the conditions on his green card to get him that 10-year green card, had never been decided. So when we showed up to talk to the officer was actually not that happy with us because he was going to have to do more work. He found out that he had to decide the I-751 and the N-400. So luckily, I had the U.S. citizen spouse there with all their marital evidence, and we were able to prove to the officer's satisfaction that the marriage was legit. So the officer, in a very strange way, he decided the N-400 first, and then we did the I-751. But at the end of the day, both cases were recommended for approval, and it's all going to work out. So I wouldn't recommend that you do this in every single case. I think it depends on the facts of the case. But the fact is that USCIS is taking a really long time to decide these I-751s, so it might be a good idea for you to go ahead and file an N-400 on the day that you first can. We hope this makes sense. We hope that you found it helpful. If you are having questions about how to juggle that mindset with the I-751 regarding the conditions of the green card and citizenship, it's sort of tricky. I wouldn't necessarily file one of these on my own. You probably need some help, so if you do and you want to give us a call, our number is 314-961-8200. You can email us at info@hackinglawpractice.com. You can always find us on Facebook in our Facebook group, which is called Immigrant Home. And if you like this video, please share it on YouTube and in social media. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.